Pixel 3 Lite update. At this point, we're not quite sure what the device will be called, so we'll stick with this name for now. Jens here from All-Star Space. Let's have a quick look into the latest update. So currently, we're not far off to see the first Pixel 4 leaks. This usually happens a couple of months before the Google October event. However, before the Pixel 4 comes out, the Pixel 3 will be released, and here is why. So last week, the regular Pixel 3 Lite and XL have passed the Federal Communication Commission, also known as FCC certification/test. So very interesting, during that process, Google has requested that all pictures of the Pixel 3 Lite will be top secret under the lid, if you like, until August 24th. And passing the FCC test is a necessary step to advance this prototype. So there's also another interesting part here. 4 model numbers have passed overall. All of them start with G020 but have different endings, letters at the end. So for example, G020B and F have passed recently for the Indian market. The other two are C and G, and both models are designed for the North American market, and those are the models that have passed last week the FCC certification with the installation of Android Pie. So at this point, it's also not clear which other markets and countries will benefit from the Pixel 3 Lite. And according to strategy analysts, the Google Pixel lineup is growing exponentially. Whilst the US smartphone market is going down by 23% last year, the Google Pixel lineup has grown by 43%. Looking at it worldwide in the grand scheme of things, that is only 0.1%, but I think this will change once the Pixel 3 Lite is being released. As of today, this is all we know for now, but it's not going to be long before the Pixel 3 will be released. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the update, subscribe for more videos and insight and tech reviews made in Munich. As always, thank you for watching. Jens here from All-Star Space. See you next time, see you next week. Peace out.